What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of hiring freelancers on Upwork, a platform for finding skilled professionals. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or just need assistance with a project, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate Upwork efficiently. Visit the Upwork website, click on the sign up button, choose to sign up using your email address or through Google, fill your profile details, including your name, location, and a valid email address, verify your email to activate your account, go to your profile settings, complete your profile by adding a professional photo, write a clear and concise description of your business and what types of projects you're looking to hire for. Set your preferred payment method to ensure smooth transactions. Determine the specific tasks or projects you need to help with. Outline the goals and deliverables you expect from the freelancer. Create a detailed job description that includes project title, skills required, estimated budget, and timeline for completion. Click on the Post a Job button. Select the type of job, short-term, long-term, or a one-time project. Fill in the job description you created in the previous step. Choose the visibility of your job posting. It's up to you if it's public or private. Set the number of proposals you want to receive. After reposting your job, you will receive proposals from freelancers. Review each proposal carefully, looking at freelancers' profile and work history, feedback and ratings from previous clients, and proposal budget and timeline. Create a short list of candidates you want to interview. Hiring an Upwork can streamline your project management and help you find the right talent for your needs. By following the steps, creating your account, setting up profile, defining your project, and managing the hiring process, you can effectively navigate Upwork to hire skilled freelancers. Be sure to maintain open communication with your chosen freelancers to ensure a successful collaboration. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.